I'm gonna play a game called Three. In 3, 2, 1. It's called Crash of Cars. See, Crash of Cars. And this is my car. Okay, my missions. Today's mission is reverse for 6.0 seconds without stopping. I get 10 rewarded. Really? Start alive for 20.0 seconds on 1 bar of health. My god. Hit 300 enemies in total. Alright. Free gift. What's my gift today? Okay, I like it. Let's go to the machine. The price machine. Yes. Yes, we are. Please, no. Hi. Yeah. I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, let's see my new car. Hot dog. Great. Yes, great. I'm choosing Optimus Prime. Let's start. Oh, Skittles. Let's just fall. Alright, we need to get the most crowns as we need. Okay, here's my first crown. Hit the stunt. Yay! Speed up. Ah, come on! Really? Yes, really. Okay, Optimus Prime failed. I'm gonna choose my other favorite one. The drift. This one drifts. I'm just saying. See, look, it could drift. Okay. Oh, come on, I missed that. Wait, someone's frozen. Oh, my Skittles. Heck yeah. Take that, both of you. Bye. Have a beautiful time. You're England, I think. Oh, yay. I'm the king of the game. Time to kick some. Okay, there's a lot of people. Oh, my Skittles. Yay, escape. Ah, come on! That was winning, mamma mia. Why the flip-flop should they be mean? Okay, I don't like this. This drifts so much. Okay, what's my favorite? Oh yeah, this is one of my legendaries. Neverlands can give you health in 30 seconds. Thank you. At least I found a crown. Hey, look.
¿Tu pie cómo sigue, Eric?
Ya está bien.
¿Eh?
Ya está bien.
¿Seguro?
Yeah.
¿Mañana ya vas a poder ir a practicar?
Yeah. Yay, I got this from that pirate. The Pirates of the Caribbean can float now. Skittles. Son of a Skittles. Bye, have a beautiful time. Yes, no! Why should I be frozen? I just got frozen from the movie Frozen. You can see in the bottom left, I killed Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, let's see again. Yes, I got 18. Yeah. Okay, this one is one of my favorites because it has its own shield. Plus, wow, I got 3 so fast. I'm so lucky. Make that 4. Get out of here. This is my clowns, not yours. And a new dude in town. Heck yeah. I got 11 because I'm 11. Oh yeah. Epic stunt. Yay, I escaped from the evil one. Not my Skittles. Peace, sucker. Wait, what? Okay, you want to drive backwards? You hold left and right. Sorry, I'm in the corner. No, kill me. I'm too pretty to die. Okay, the car is actually pretty. Yeah, I got 20. Yeah. First mission complete. Mission. Yeah. Okay. Leopold. What my other two missions? Stay alive for 2. Okay. Reverse. Okay. And let me choose the oil alert. Get it? Spoiler oiler. This can. I'm going to the trip to my favorite oil ship. Going through the roads, little oilers. Son of a Skittles. We're going to the trip to my favorite rocket ship. Going through the sky. Okay, I'm going to ignore this, like this never happened. I'm going to the trip to my favorite rocket ship. Okay, I hate that song already. Don't kill me. I'm too lucky to die. No, I don't want to go to a little swing. Destroy this castle. Please stop. No! Okay, that was bad. Stop. Alright, let's check out one of my other cars. Oh, the fortune boat? Okay, no. Let me take. Why would. Yeah, mine can fly. Kind of. The pirates or the flying being. Get it? Yeah. Let's pass this with the flip flop. Okay, I hate this. I hate this son of a Skittles already. The only thing I like about this is I could fly. Oh my Skittles got. Oh no. I just got drift. I'm going to the city to my favorite rocket Skittles. Or to the Skittles, little Skittles. No! I could have gotten another 20 to win something else. So, son of a Skittles. Okay, I never tried this one, the hot rod. Where is it from? Germany? Really? Oh my god! Wait, what? No, don't kill me, I have to pay to die. Oh wait, I saw something. Oh my skidding god. Heck yeah. Yeah, I'm the king. Again. I hope. Okay, nobody kill me. I'm too pretty to. Really? 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 And this one. Okay, I hate this one. I never used the link. No, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use my most favorite one of all. This game. Look left, right. Now my flamethrower of doom. Heck yeah. Drift. Once I go to the pool, I'm gonna take this ball. I just destroy with it. I'm just gonna use it. All my skin gone. Trying to get this son of a Skittles. Foods, yeah. Foods, no. Really? Oh wait, I'm still the thing. Yeah. No, to put it, yeah. Great. Okay, I'm just gonna play 2 times and then I'm gonna end this video. I don't. Oh, okay, I don't like this one. I never did this one. Dang. Bye. Have a beautiful time. What? Oh my God! Really? Okay, I'm gonna choose my own map. You haven't known. There's all the maps. Here's your map. Choose it. I like the desert. That's my favorite of all. Okay, I saw some crabs somewhere around here. Yeah, I did. Destroy everything in the desert. Not really like the pyramids and the mummies, I think. Stop chasing me. Okay, quite about something like cool la la. Let me kill this son of a person. Really, this is it? Heck yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you press the subscribe button and leave a like in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna leave.